Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of breathing in polluted air in your own home, wondering what's lurking in every lungful? Introducing the PuroAir 240 HEPA air purifiers for home pets, the game-changing solution to all your air quality worries. This lightning-fast and smart tech-enabled device is backed by science, lab-tested and studied to filter the most common household pollutants with ease, giving you improved allergy symptoms and better sleep quality. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, with a noticeable difference in the air you breathe. The PuroAir 240 is certified by top organizations, including CARB, ETL, ISO, and UL, so you can trust it to get the job done. With its smart particle sensor, it monitors air quality and increases power if polluted air is detected, working quietly in the background 24/7, making it perfect for your bedroom. The built-in sleep mode operates so quietly you'll forget it's even on, and with its 2-year risk-free warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing you're protected. Thousands of families trust PuroAir to keep their air clean, and it's well reviewed by many satisfied customers. The PuroAir 240 is designed to be used around the clock, providing a sense of security and comfort in your own home. Unlike other air purifiers, it's designed to be efficient and effective, capturing pollutants with ease, and with its sleek design, it fits seamlessly into any room. Whether you're looking to improve your sleep, alleviate allergy symptoms, or simply breathe easier, the PuroAir 240 is the perfect solution. With its advanced features and risk-free warranty, it's the smart choice for anyone looking to take control of their air quality, so why wait? Get your PuroAir 240 today and start breathing easy. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.